Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Or for the first time, welcome back to the channel. We hit over 200 subscribers and this means words to me that you like what we did on this channel. But we're gonna do a lot more fun, but I want you included. So let me know in the comments what you want to see we do with this car. Because we're gonna strip it completely, repaint it and do everything we like. We're gonna do absolutely everything on this car. And Bobby says hi to you. He likes to. Toys are everywhere, and he likes to play. But I have a lot of ideas what to do, and I want you really included in this build. So let me know in the comments what you want to see. Let's start with the video. Before we talk about what we're gonna do, we need to remove today LPG. We have a couple of components, nothing too much, and we're gonna try to remove rear bumper. They're known to be very rusty, and my Niva, it's a little bit rusty. So we're gonna see how that's going to turn out. Let's get started. done for today. I don't have the right tools to remove this, and I ordered jack but didn't come yet. We are going now talk about ideas, and I'm curious to see what you guys think. First thing I would like to do is cut this cross member here and here and make it a little bit lower, so that we can drop the diff down and make a better access point on axle, because I break a lot of CV joints, and that's because angle is it's too steep. It should be a lot better than this, and I don't like how compressed are these springs. So if you lower the cross member, you're gonna make this look a lot better. So that's my plan, what you're gonna do. Now I want to hear you what you think. Okay, so that's my biggest thing I want to do, is just cut and lower the cross member and drop the diff. But now I have a question for you. What color should be Niva? I'm thinking about gray with black details like a roof rack, a snorkel, front bumper and that stuff. And of course it needs to be in Raptor, because we're gonna do a little bit of off-roading with her, so it needs to be done properly and with good paint. But now the most important question of all is, should we supercharge this engine? I didn't see a lot of people done this, so I'm really curious what you guys think. This is a good idea or not, because this engine is a little bit too slow. How to say? It doesn't have enough power, and I would to run a 30-inch tire, this a 29-inch, so it would really be a slow car. I'm not going for something fast, like going, I know, 200 miles, but when you're going uphill, it's good to have a little bit more power. So that's my biggest concern, is should I run a supercharged engine? Because I don't know, guys. If someone done it, please contact me on Instagram or on YouTube in comments. So I really don't know what to expect, but we are gonna replace the my thinking was to replace the AC with it. We're not gonna run AC, so the snorkel will be on this side, and I think we have enough room to make this, but I don't know how good it would be with this engine. So please, if someone know, help me. It's gonna mean a lot to me. And that's about it for this video. It's a little bit different, sorry. I don't have the right tools, and the weather here is changing constantly. Now it's sunny, but for an hour would be a rain. Yeah, I know. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for 200 subscribers. And we're gonna do a lot of crazy things in the future, so don't miss out. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and see you next time.